Hi everyone, my name is Madison and I would like to start by thanking you for joining me today as we discuss an important issue faced by children and adolescents in the United States. The issue is obesity and it impacts over 13 million children throughout our country. I would like to see major changes made throughout our school systems to help reduce the rates of childhood obesity. Not only does obesity cause physical harm to children, it also causes psychological damage and negative social consequences. While most of us seem to agree that childhood obesity is in fact an issue, the challenge has been finding an effective policy to overcome this issue. What brings me here today is a recent bill proposed by Jan Jones. Jan Jones is a state representative of North Carolina, and she recently proposed a bill to mandate BMI screening and surveillance for all children. Students who are identified as overweight or obese based on the CDC BMI charts would then be referred to a registered dietitian for nutrition therapy sessions. Although I do agree with Jan's ultimate goal of healthier school systems and reducing childhood obesity, there is a major policy problem here. The problem is that children would be singled out based on their BMI category, and not all children would have equal access to nutrition therapy sessions, which could greatly benefit students. I would like to propose a new policy to better serve our children in our community. My policy proposal is to move forward with BMI screening and surveillance and to provide aggregate unidentified data to local, state, and federal government, along with the child's parents or legal guardians. This data could be used to track obesity trends and to help receive necessary funding to help our communities. Once the data has been distributed, I would like to propose that all children have the option to participate in nutrition therapy sessions regardless of their BMI category. Nutrition therapy sessions offered to everyone would prevent the issue of singling students out. It would give each student equal access to a healthier lifestyle. These nutrition counseling sessions would be culturally sensitive, and they would focus on nutritional needs that could be tailored to each family's schedule and their dietary habits. Sessions would provide more of general guidelines rather than strict recommendations. I am also aware that cultural norms can be linked to obesity. This policy would be focused around acknowledging and maintaining those cultural norms while also learning to maintain a healthy, balanced diet. Parents will be able to make the decision as to whether their child is able to participate in the nutrition sessions. I hope you will see that this could be an effective way to reduce BMI rates in schools across the country. I challenge our school board members and public health officials to make this a top priority and to allocate funding for this policy. I am confident that the benefits will outweigh the costs. Thank you so much for your time today.